Hi there, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative, and today the topic is digging into custom objects in HubSpot. We are covering 10 custom objects that are the most important ones, in our opinion, to have for your business. And the one we're talking about today is the referral partner object. Now, the referral partner object is really important because business doesn't only happen online. You might have people in your social circles, whether they're in person or they're on social media. You might have really great fostered relationships, and heck, you might even want to attribute it to existing customers. You're going to have people that fall into a referral partner category in your organization. And tracking the information that is coming from those people and tracking the deals and tracking the contacts and being able to associate with them is going to be really important for the growth of your business. In a lot of cases, we don't track as an object referrals. We might flag it as an opportunity type, or we might have a field that says it came from an individual. But from a scalable point of view, you're not going to be able to really keep track of the humans that are referring you, or the companies for that matter. And so taking it a step further to how you would use like a partner stack, which is an application for referral partner incentives, all the way through to, just building out a referral program in your organization, that's possible to do from within HubSpot. So this referral partner object is going to be essentially a custom object that you would create, you guessed it, called referral partners. And what you'll do there is you'll put the companies, you'll put a unique tag, you just put typical information that's associated with that contact so that you can refer back to it. The cool thing about the referral partner object is you can make workflows happen that if they are tagged by a certain query in a URL or a form is submitted that a workflow triggers to associate the object, you can now make it so you automate the contacts that come in from this referral URL from your referral partner, and you can associate it with the human beings in your CRM. There's a couple really great things that come out of this. One is, if you're trying to keep track of revenue generated by this referral partner, it's possible. If you're trying to show the health and growth of that referral partner based on the life cycle stages of your contacts, possible. And the best part is you get to break this down and actually associate contacts to a specific individual. And if you're using HubSpot CMS, now you can take that partner program type of mentality and implement it right into your CMS tools to show that referral partner the contacts that have been referred. People pay thousands of dollars a month for this referral program with other tools. And the problem is not all in one system. So if you're using HubSpot CMS, HubSpot CRM, and you create this custom object for partners, now you're going to be able to track that all in one spot and have all the recording in one data area for your organization to be able to grow. If you want some more information on how this would work, feel free to reach out to Impulse Creative. We can help deploy this for you and set up a referral program of your dreams 100% on HubSpot.